Java nuts, it's coffee time. Because I'm actually abroad with extreme technical difficulties and refuse to allow them to delay the upload, today's video will be an all in-camera editing, short, and all in the hostel room. Coffee has become such a staple in our everyday lives that we forget that this sweet nectar of life is different around the world. Before traveling, read about coffee habits and norms in that country. Be prepared to cancel your plane tickets if that country doesn't serve proper coffee. No, I'm kidding, but you may actually have to bring your own coffee and coffee accessories. In some countries such as Israel, Italy, or France, coffee is culture, and you're liable to insult your barista with an improper order, so brush up on their coffee words. Most first world countries will still serve any purest espresso drink, including lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, but some specialty flavored drinks will not be available. In Israel, for example, the term latte is not readily used. The term cappuccino will get you closer to the American latte. If you want a cappuccino, you must order an upside-down coffee. This country is among others, such as Italy and France, that takes its coffee so seriously that Starbucks failed because it just couldn't compete with that country's domestic coffees. In some countries, each espresso drink is only available in one size. If they do offer different sizes, 8 ounce is small, while 10 or 12 is large. If you are unsure what to order, take an adventurous coffee-flavored leap and let your barista decide. Just make sure she knows if you have any restrictions like a dairy or a soy allergy. And don't take to go. Sit. Enjoy the atmosphere as you enjoy your coffee. You're traveling after all. It's okay to take a minute and absorb their culture. Unless you're in Italy, where only tourists sit for a cup. Drink your espresso at the bar and move on with your day. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also enjoy it. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. I have a lot of exciting videos planned, hopefully without any technical difficulties, but I want to hear from you. So leave me a comment below and tell me what you'd like to see covered. Make sure you tune in next week for another Caffeine Fix.